Hey, what's up? So, welcome to week number 3, I think, on the documenting my startup progress. And this week was quite eventful. I was finally banned from that other marketplace I worked on, so I could finally announce to my somewhat decent following and clients that I have this new marketplace. So that was good and bad. It was bad because I lost like a 220 plus thousand a year business. That's more or less how much I was making on that other marketplace, and with all the different revenue streams that marketplace generated. Sorry, so it was definitely a big hit, losing that money overnight because I lost that like overnight. But it definitely was a good idea throughout the years that I've built these personal brands, that I was able to funnel some of those people to Vettted. Not all, literally not all at all. So yeah, I was able to funnel some of those people, not all of them. I was able to funnel, and by funnel I mean transfer from that platform to Vettted some users, both buyers and sellers. And yeah, we had some sales already. I think this past 48 hours we had like $600 in sales, which is not that good, but it's okay, I guess. And I mean, for the numbers I was making before, and I don't know, I'm kind of, to be honest with you, I'm kind of scared, I guess. I guess we could say scared, but that's a good thing. Being scared and with this so much pressure on my shoulders, it's good because now it's time to prove myself and to actually get people to use the marketplace. And it definitely takes some time. I wish this could be faster. I wish I could just run some ads. I mean, if this was a simple product or a simple service, I could just make some Facebook ads or TikTok ads and run them to a product page. But no, this is a marketplace where we have, to an extent, less control of the services that are sold. So if I was selling a product, I had full control of the landing page, of how the site looked, of the customer support, all of that. And because we're a marketplace, it's a different business. Even though we have control over the people that can sell their services, and to some extent the services they can sell because we approve or deny services, we don't have total control of how they display the services, what they write in their sales page, how if their services are actually good or not. I mean, we do some background checks and we evaluate their services, but there's less of a degree of control when you have a marketplace. So yeah, I'm kind of scared and with a lot of pressure on me because there's a lot of things to do. There's still some bugs to solve. Some people's cards are being refused because our payment processor, MangoPay, only allows us to process cards that have 3D Secure embedded in them, which is basically an anti-fraud system, which is good for us because only accepting cards that have this system in place protects us as a platform against fraud. But some people in some banks, mainly in the US, their cards don't have this 3DS Secure enabled, or 3D Secure, sorry, enabled by default. And even if you call up the banks, we had a guy call up his bank, sorry, because I asked him to, and the bank said they couldn't do anything about it. So we're losing some money. We've lost some money with that. I managed to transfer a lot of people from that other marketplace to Vettted, but two of them we somewhat lost because they couldn't use the cards, and we couldn't find any alternative. So one of them was going to spend around 2K this just yesterday, and this other person spent like 600 dollars, sorry, but he spent it to my PayPal. So yeah, we lost around, I'd say, almost 3K yesterday in payments processed because of this little thing that is the 3D Secure, again, because we can only process payments from 3D secured cards. In regards to the launch, because I made a post on my Facebook group, I have an SEO Facebook group, I have an email list, all around it's around 2K people of both clients and followers. And all the people were super supportive. I was really surprised. They all really liked the idea and incentivized me to get going and to start this new chapter. And it's definitely a motivation to keep going and to get this going. But it's hard, yeah. But I'll keep pushing through it. And I guess I'm just a bit I don't know, out of it, because I lost a pretty big business from just like that, from day to night. And yeah, I need to build that back up quickly and get Vetted going. I mean, I think we built a great product, and people really seem to be liking it and enjoying the platform and our talent pool over there, and the fact that we take no fees. So people really seem to be liking it, and I actually really enjoy that, and it makes me happy that the product we built can be used by people, and people are actually using it. Like I said, in the last 48 hours, we processed around $600 in payments, which is okay. And yeah, it feels good that people are actually using the platform and liking it. And so after I was officially banned and finally was able to tell my clients and the people who follow me that I had this marketplace, we had a ton of people sign up, a ton of new sellers wanting to sign up, a ton of new services created, which I need to approve still. Yeah, so the community received this really well, and a lot of people are interested. And overall, yeah, it was a good launch. People seem to like it. People seem to like the product, but it takes time, and I'm aware of that, because in a marketplace it takes time, because for a seller, for example, he has to sign up, set up his profile, set up his services. So that takes some time. So this is somewhat of a slow business at the start. Now, I really feel like this is one of those businesses that will skyrocket like exponentially. It will take some time at the beginning. I wish, again, I could just pump this up with Facebook ads, but unfortunately, I can't do that, at least just yet. Yeah, so I won't bore you more with this. To all the maybe 50 people that watch this, maybe the one person that watches this all until the end, thank you so much for being along for the ride in this journey with me. So yeah, again, thank you so much, and my dog wants to say goodbye. Hey, sleepy boy. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you next week. Cheers.